Teaching is more than instruction. It's connection, creativity, and deep encouragement. If you've chosen the path of a teacher or a parent, you hold the power to inspire generations. This is one of the most meaningful contributions a person can make. At the heart of what you do is a profound and uplifting service into the world.
The challenge is to elevate education in a way that students are fully engaged and inspired to be creatively responsive and open, with a vision for new paradigms of the future.
One of those new paradigms is bringing connective arts into the heart of education. Talking Hands, Talking Feet Academy empowers teachers to incorporate music, rhythm, movement, language arts, and song into the heart of their curriculum.
We provide resources, training, and inspiring methodology for passionate teachers seeking to enliven education by integrating multiple arts as vehicles of learning every day. Whether you teach in preschools, elementary schools, camps, or homeschool communities, our arts integrated training and methodology elevates the learning experience. Our Arts Integrated Toolkit, which has been developing since 1997, working with over 9,000 children directly and hundreds of teachers, includes a substantial library of songs, videos, and kits, thoughtfully organized by age and theme.
Codes in color. Movement and music in color cards.
The Sparks Book of Wonder, essays, stories, and articles for your practical wisdom and inspiration.
And sign up for the Sparks newsletter with the link in the description below. You'll receive video shorts, articles, and new content, along with news about upcoming trainings online, in person, or at our retreat center.
Better run, better run, better. Okay, what's another one? We hope to meet you one day, perhaps at a training, a Zoom session, or here at Humming Grove Center. Until then, we invite you to explore, enjoy, and stay connected.